On today's episode of As Jim Sees It, we are going to be putting in our flooring. Real simple, putting in the carpet.
King of the road, trailer for sailoring. That trailer for sailoring.
Welcome to another episode of As Jim Sees It. I am your host, Chris Malillo. Today we are going to be putting in our flooring. Real simple, putting in the carpet. I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to need a couple of different tools than usual, a little more tools than usual, but I got faith in you, and I believe you'll do just fine. And here we go. Razors, a carpet knife, what's known as a stair tool, a hammer, tackless. You're also going to need what's called a knee kicker, along with some carpet pad and carpet. I used indoor-outdoor carpet. You can use whatever type of carpet you want. The reason I chose indoor-outdoor is it's real easy to kick in. All right, first step, putting in the tackless. You can get these from Home Depot or a carpet store. The reason I use carpet is it feels a little more like a home. And when I used any type of click together flooring in my bus, when it would move, it would eventually take apart this where the planks met, and it would put cracks in the seams like it was coming apart. So I chose to go with carpet. Now, it's a little trick installers use when you're doing the tackless. So first, you want the nails to face outside. There'll also be little arrows on the tackless pointing the direction that you want the carpet to fold into. We're going to go ahead and install this tackless. It's right here, right there. Hold it down. Right here. So you're going to want to do that around the whole perimeter of the area that you're going to carpet. If you need to bust a piece of tackless, they make these scissors where it cuts the wood, but it's really unnecessary. All you've got to do is put the piece down, and then you go right here, and you just split it with your hammer. And then just lift up, and it comes right off. There's your piece. So once you got all your tackless down, you want to fold this over. A little while since I used a razor knife, so bear with me. So you got your pad. You go against the corner of your, make sure your razor is brand new. Cuts through real quick. Go to the corner of the, where the tackless is. Cut. Cut. All right. That is just your start, right? So a lot of people like to stretch out their pad. I don't think it's necessary, but I'm going to do it for the sake of the video. And you'll see what I mean by stretching the pad here. Let me grab the tape. Now again, this is mold-free duct tape like I used on the installation. That way I don't run into any mold problems. So there's the pad, goes on the tackless. like so. Grab it here. Do it again like so. And you go all around the perimeter. And then the next step is laying your carpet and cut that in. In regards to changing your razor, it's real simple. Unscrew this. That opens up. Get rid of your razor. Once you've put in all your pad and it's installed and tight, your tape's down, you take your piece of carpet, you set it in here, you want 4 inches up the wall. That way, when you kick in your carpet and you use your stair tool to scrape it against the tackless, it stays nice and snug. You have your end here. You take your kicker, take the carpet. You don't want to rip your carpet. You don't want to screw that up. So you put the piece in. You go like this, move your knife so you don't hurt yourself. Put it down, go like that. Hook it. When you hear that noise, you're hooked. Right there. It doesn't take much, just a little bump. Again, with the indoor-outdoor carpet, you don't want to do a lot. You don't want to screw up your carpet. You just take it and hook it and go. You go along, put a slice in where you got to cut. So right here, you go along, just like that, tuck. That's it. That's all she wrote. Cut, tuck, and go. And if you get a little over your edge, you take your kicker, just reboot it right in there. Just like that. Put your finger on it, just like that. And you're good to go. And that is it. It is done. I had to put a couple things back. We're all said and done. Just had to screw the edge of the carpet in right here so it can give a nice flush edge when I close the door, and that is it. That is the carpet job. You can do it too. Subscribe to the channel. We're only 4 days. Well, no. This was created a couple days before, so by the day that this uploads, the great adventure begins. Woo! I'll just tell him it was a ghost. Ah! God damn it, that tackless son of a... Ah! Oh my gosh. You're gonna need tape? You're gonna need tape? Leave about 3 inches up for when we go into the kitchen. You wanna leave about 3 inches. So when you get your knife... Here we go.